gardeners have planted white roses when I specifically asked for red.
You could always paint the roses red.
What an odd thing to say.